Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this is a very requested, a common topic these days for the Poco phone F1 and the K20 Pro, how to install TWRP recovery on the phone and how to root it. That is a basic step that you need to do in order to get into the world of custom ROMs. So this right here once again is a step-by-step guide in which I'll be showing you what files are needed, what sequences to be followed, and what are the precautions that you need to take in order to ensure that you get TWRP working on your Poco phone F1 or the K20 Pro. Now, before we do all of that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like the content on this channel, if you want to support us, there is a join button, and we have very reasonable plans starting all the way from 29 rupees onwards, and you will get access to a lot of perks and exclusive content. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. So first things first, let's talk about the prerequisites. Of course, you need to have a phone, a Poco phone F1 or a K20 Pro, and you need to have at least 50% battery. Now, before you do this, there are two things that I would highly recommend. First things first, you need to make sure all your data is backed up, because when you're doing something unofficial like this, there is no guarantee what will happen to the phone. Although 99% of the time it is safe, but if it's your data which is at stake, even the 1% times I would not take chances. So make sure you back up all your data and make sure you have more than 50% battery on your phone. Now, once that is done, the most important prerequisite here is that your phone should have an unlocked bootloader. You cannot flash anything on a locked device. So if you want to know how to unlock a bootloader on a Xiaomi device, go ahead and watch this particular video. A card will be coming up here and you should be able to unlock it successfully. Now, once you've done all of that, we come back to the files that are needed. Now, that is where these two devices differentiate, and essentially most of the devices that are running a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the process will be more or less the same unless you are going to a different device. But nonetheless, let's just talk about these two phones because these are the mainstreams that we have right now. So the recovery file, that is the IMG file, will be the only different one. That is the TWRP image for K20 Pro and the Poco phone F1. Apart from that, the process for both of them is exactly the same. First of all, we will need to install a small tool called Minimal ADB and Fast Boot. What that does is that gives us access to Minimal ADB on your computer so that you can, type the command and flash that particular recovery. At the same time, we will need to have the recovery image file downloaded for your device, and we will need Magisk only if you need access to root. I would recommend root because when you go ahead and root your device, it ensures that the stock system or the stock ROM doesn't overwrite your TWRP recovery. So those are the files that we need. This is going to be a relatively easy video to follow. As I said, we will begin with the phone. So first things first, let's go to settings and then go to about phone over here. And then let's go to MIUI version and tap it. Okay, you need to be in developer options. So now once you've enabled developer options, you need to go to additional settings and then developer options. Over here, you need to enable USB debugging. All right, once that is done, you are good to go. Now you remember, you will need a Windows based computer. You will need a USB cable because you'll have to connect the phone to the computer. All right, now once all of that is done, we will move to the computer and we will install Minimal ADB and Fast Boot. Now, in order to download Minimal ADB and Fast Boot, you will go to this particular link as seen on the screen. Okay, now over here you can just go ahead and download the version 1.4.3. it works just fine for me. Okay, now you can save this to a location of your choice, and it's a relatively small file, so it won't take a long time. Okay, and then just go through the installation process, hit yes, hit next, and if you want, you can create a desktop icon and hit install. Now uncheck this box and hit finish. So Minimal ADB and Fast Boot is now downloaded and installed. Next up, we will need to put the recovery file from our downloaded folder into the minimal ADB file folder. So by default, it goes into program files x86. That is where you need to install minimal ADB and fast boot. But if you are an advanced user and you've installed it somewhere else, just remember the path. That's all that is needed to be done. Now this is the file over here. So copy this and then go to C drive, program files x86, and you will see minimal ADB and fast boot. Just paste this particular file over here. If you get a prompt, hit continue. All right, now the easy part is done. We just need to put the phone into fast boot mode. All right, and then we will install TWRP. So to put the phone into fast boot mode, first go ahead and press the power button and hit power off. Let the phone completely power down. All right, now once this is done, press volume down and power together till the time you see the Xiaomi logo or Mi logo. Okay, in that case a Poco logo. So as you can see, the phone is in fast boot. Now connect one end of the USB cable to your computer and the other end to your phone like this. As you can see, the phone is connected to the computer. Now what we will do is we will go to device manager to ensure that the drivers are installed properly and the phone is detected. Now as you can see, in my case it says Android, so the driver are not installed. Alright, so if your phone is not detected, all you need to do is you need to install the drivers that are mentioned in the description, and then your phone should get detected just fine. So the first thing that we will do is we will go to program files x86, minimal ADB and fast boot folder. Now over here, double click on CMD here. Okay, and then type in fast boot space devices. Okay, now as you can see, the installation of drivers worked. Now what we need to do here, this is the file that we need to flash. Then type in fast boot space flash space recovery space the name of the file, that is TWRP beryllium. Now as you can see on the screen, the recovery got flashed. Now at this point you have to be a little careful. Don't boot into system. You need to press and hold the volume up and power button and keep it pressed till the time you see the MI logo. Alright, so as you saw there, when you press volume up and power, the phone would boot into TWRP and you are good to go. Now as I said, the steps are same for K20 Pro and the Poco phone F1. The only difference is the TWRP image file. Once that is flashed, you can just go to install, copy the Magisk zip over here and install Magisk and reboot to system. You are good to go. So this was one of the very simple and easy ways of installing TWRP on your Android phone. It will work for most of the Android devices unless it is some other processor or some high-end or different device. But yes, for almost all Xiaomi phones, this particular method will work just fine. Let me know in the comment section if this video helped you or not. And until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.